guys.
I don't know if it's going to work.
Oh, it's live. Okay.
We are live.
Yay.
Hey there, Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. This is one of my interns. You want to say hi?
Hi. Well, I'm not doing your intern. I just do schoolwork.
Yeah, she does do schoolwork, but we're testing this out. I know it's Friday night and not too many people are online at this time of night, but I want to test this out because I'm trying to figure out, I'm using LinkedIn Live, and I just got a very exciting thing in the mail today. You ready for this? This is very exciting.
It's amazing.
Check this out.
Whoa!
Can you see this? So this is Sugar Creek Coffee Roasters. So I was on LinkedIn. Oh, let me see that. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get that out of the way for you, Charlotte. Oh, what is this? Oh, look at this. Let me show this up on the screen here too. Can you? Look, we need something dark to hold behind it. Here, now you can see it. So I was at an event last night for this company, MichBusiness, and I was named one of the 2019 Marketing and PR Profits. And you can see my lovely company name, Meller Marketing, in on there. And go ahead, Charlotte. And I was given a bell by speaking at a Kiwanis group recently as well.
And yeah, we already have like a little bell, so we might use this as a second one.
So we're gonna set this down for now because it's a little loud. But the award is something I'm very proud of. And I was joking with one of my friends who was a fellow honoree last night, and I said, when you go to work tomorrow, just bring the award in with you, like when you're going into a meeting, and set your things down and then set the award up in front of you and be like, all right, what are we here to talk about today? And just pretend the award is not there and don't even react to it. Just like pretend like it's your coffee mug and just bring it with you wherever you go. I was at another event this week and a woman was talking about imposter syndrome. Do you know what imposter syndrome is, Charlotte? No. So imposter syndrome is something that grown-ups, they feel like they're not good enough or smart enough. I know, isn't that crazy? So the lady was saying, like, we as women, we need to be proud of our accomplishments. So ladies, right. Girls. So is this something I should be proud of, do you think, in terms of an accomplishment? I think so. So I'm going to put this, you can see in the bookshelf behind me.
I mean, it's better than nothing.
It is better than nothing. That is a good point. Wise words there.
Like if you get like a penny, like a quarter from the Tooth Fairy, at least it's like nothing.
Right, but you still get a quarter.
Yeah, right? But you still should be thankful for it. Like,
you do have to be thankful.
Because that's just gonna be.
So there's that. All right, so let's get into this. Again, Friday, I don't anticipate I'm gonna actually have 8. Look, I have people watching us already here. I'm gonna pull my phone up here so you guys can see. This is how I do my monitoring of our LinkedIn Live activity. I'm still trying to figure out the technology here. I'm using StreamYard. And what I want to do is I want to try streaming from my phone. Here, let's turn the volume down so we don't have us talking as we're going through here. So I'm going to try to figure out if I can use my mobile device to capture the video, because what I'm doing tonight is an unboxing of my Sugar Creek coffee.
Enjoy the coffee.
Yes. You want to read the other? Let's say hi to the people who are on.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hi.
A Sharp.
A Sharp.
Hi, A Sharp. Hi, Tim.
Hi, Tim.
Hello, Pratima. Hello to Kenneth. Okay. And then Shaika says, enjoy the coffee. Thank you very much. I'm going to probably make that, or have my husband make that in the morning, I should say. Hi, Kamaraj. Hi, Kusei. Chris, thank you. Welcome, and thank you for joining us. Dr. Harrison, welcome. Tony, welcome. Thanks for joining us. So yeah, this is just fun. This is a great way to end the week, Tim. We're just having a little bit of fun.
Hello.
Mark Gelbman, just passing through. Wanted to give you a shout out. Nice to see you, Mark. We saw each other at an event this week. All right, so I'll say hi to more of you folks later.
Yeah, we'll do like stuff later.
We'll talk to the audience later, if you will. So right now we're live. We're nice people. So Charlotte, do you want to hold the video for me while we do this?
Yeah, but I might have to watch the camera too.
Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to have you hold this. And we're going to have the camera move around. And I just want to have the camera pointing right down here at the box. Okay? So can you, let me move your chair out of the way here. Can you scooch back just a little bit? Okay? And we're going to be able to see it from here too. So we are unboxing. I already cut the tape off of the box because I didn't want to have to struggle with that in the video. Another video I did this and I almost sliced my finger up. And I don't want to do that.
You did?
So here we go. So we're unboxing. Very first thing I see. And I'm a marketer, so I appreciate customer service and I appreciate personalized notes. You don't get better than this, much better than this right here. This is a personal note from a person, a human being. Actually took the time to write out my name. Brenda, thanks so much for your order and hope you enjoy this delicious, fresh roasted coffee. And here's the order. And I just bought this week online at the Sugar Creek website. And you guys can't smell this,
It's so.
Oh, it's like heavenly. It's heavenly. So I haven't looked at anything in here yet. I am so excited about this. So this is a magnet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna probably wait. Let's do one thing at a time. This is a magnet. So this is a sticker.
Confetti.
Let's make sure they can see what we're looking at here. So we've got a sticker and we've got a magnet in the same thing. So that's going on my fridge and the sticker.
Of course.
I don't know where that will go yet.
You should get like a mini fridge in your office.
No, that's not gonna
happen.
happen.
You can keep beer in it
Thank
and
you for
coffee.
suggesting. So let's go with the coffee first. Look at how pretty this is and all this little stuff in the background here. So we've got Sugar Creek Signature Blend Coffee. That's what we have going on here. It's nutty, sweet, fruity, and it's like a dark chocolate flavor. Whole beans ground, because we have a ground coffee maker, and it kind of shows the depth of the coffee there, if you will. Okay. And oh, this smells just heavenly. You want to smell it? Okay, you guys want to smell it too? Smell that? Doesn't that smell delicious?
It smells like pickles.
No, it smells like coffee.
I don't know why, because I'm a kid.
All right, and this is a pleasant surprise. I wasn't expecting this. I got a lovely new coffee mug. It says Sugar Creek Coffee Roasters on it. Look at that. Some shavings and things in there. But that's a nice coffee, and this is going to be nice to keep my hands warm on. And I love the shape of the mug. It's a little bit of a different shape of the mug. So this is kind of a bonus gift here. If you want to surprise and delight your customers, I mean, put a little extra something in the box with a handwritten note. I mean, look at that. That is just absolutely
is there
awesome.
more?
No, that's it. That's it. We got the stickers. We got the coffee. Kids always want something more. So you can play with the shredded paper if you want, Charlotte.
I can make a carrot.
I'm going to take this back now. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for being my camera person for the setup part of the video here. So that's kind of the unboxing here. I'm just going to get the camera set back into position here for just a minute. And I'm going to check out my phone. We're going to look and see if you have had any comments come in while we're doing this unboxing. And unboxing is something that's pretty common. You've probably seen these on YouTube, right? It's a big place for unboxing. And the kids will unbox their toys, slime, boxes of like Legos and stuff like that. And sometimes... Sure. Let's sit down, though. Can we sit down? Pull your chair up here. We're just going to get comfortable. Hold on just one second.
Hold on.
Okay, let's set the phone so we can both read the comments here.
We have...
So a couple more folks. We have Lisa. Hello to Lisa. Hello. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Adam says howdy. Welcome, Adam. And yeah, stoked that we're able to go live. I am pretty excited about this too. This is a newer feature on LinkedIn, and it's starting to roll out to more people. What I'm doing right now is I'm just testing. I'm doing a lot of testing. So the first video I did a few days ago.
Sherry.
Hey, Sherry Stein's on. We were just talking about you tonight, Sherry. I did my first video a few days ago, and I was using my laptop cam, and it wasn't very crisp. But then I started using an external camera device, and that's what's being used right now. And now also tonight I have added in some lighting in the rooms to make it a little bit brighter in here. So I'm just testing different things. And I also wanted to test out if I invite a guest from my phone. So what I'm going to try to do right now is see if I can click on the link here. I'm going to try to invite myself using a separate email from my phone. And let's see if I copy to clipboard, and I'm going to email this to myself. You guys are just going to follow along with me here while I'm doing this.
Can I see our faces still?
In just a second. I'm going to go here. Okay, so go back to the stream here.
Okay, that means it came out.
Okay, I need you not to do that while we're doing the live streaming. Or you can go over there and do that if you want. She's very excited because Frozen 2 is coming out today.
No, it already came out.
Okay, oh, it already came out. That's right. All right, so now it's telling me mobile support is experimental. I'm entering a broadcast studio, allow my microphone. So now I can see myself on my phone, and I'm going to see if I can, let's see, how do I share the guest on here?
Weird.
Oh, okay, so Brenda guest.
Brenda guest.
So Tina Marie Wellfield, you're going to be joining me for my first, ooh, it's echoing here.
Awesome.
Can you get my earphones?
Yeah.
Because I think I'm going to try to do this. So Tina Marie's going to be on with me on Monday.
I can't hear.
It's okay.
Oh,
there, let's turn the audio off. Does that work? No, that does not work.
These are my earbuds.
I'm just plugging this in so that I don't get that feedback noise that's going on.
You.
But I don't hear the echo on my phone anymore. So I'm just testing. I'm making mistakes as I go, but they're all learning. And that's okay if I'm learning as I go here too. So So I've got the phone on here. I can see what's happening. It's a little bit hard to figure out which view is me. So this is going to be a little bit harder to figure out how to make this work when I'm actually inviting a guest that's not myself on my phone to go into the live session. But I like to practice these things a lot, and I want to test out different techniques. I'm going to be starting to invite guests to come on with me, people in different locations across the world, and sharing their expertise, their marketing tips, their small business tips, information and insights from their background. But I want to get comfortable before I start inviting my guests. So Tina Marie's one of my close friends. I don't feel that if we made a mistake on the show and there was, an issue or a technical glitch or something, she's not going to pass judgment on me. She's the kind of person who's going to be like, hey, let's work our way through this. So I'm trying to figure out how here it goes. So now we got two people going on in the stream. We got Brenda Meller. This is my cell phone version over here. And you've got the desktop version. So you can see here what the mobile view looks like. It's not quite as crisp as the desktop view. The lighting is a little bit different. It looks like almost a little sickly in the other one or something. But I don't know. This one doesn't it look like I'm.
It looks brighter.
Something's wrong.
I like.
Brenda Guest, Brenda Meller.
We
got two Brendas. Can you imagine how much stuff we could get done in this world with double of all of us?
You mean 8 Charlottes?
With 8 Charlottes, the world would be absolutely amazing.
No way.
So I'm just testing this out. I want to kind of see what it looks like here. I want to see what it looks like there. I'm going to leave the broadcast here because this is getting a little bit confusing. And I do want to pop back onto the live stream just to see if you guys have any questions. Have you been seeing LinkedIn Live popping up? Have you been jumping on these things? Some people I've heard, they say they're annoying. They're not interested in the live streams. This one I'm doing on a Friday, and I didn't anticipate I'd have a lot of people. The first one I did, I think I got up to 120 people. It was like 3:30 in the afternoon, I think on like a Tuesday. And then I did one yesterday afternoon. It was probably around 4:30 or so. And it was actually a little bit earlier in the day. And I did get around 100 people on there.
Oh, this was a long time ago.
Yeah, there's a little bit of a delay. She's listening to the delay in the audio right now. So this is Friday, and don't anticipate there's a lot of people on LinkedIn because people are kind of off of work right now, and they're doing their Friday night routine, whatever that is, but they're not on LinkedIn. So there's only 10 of you on here, which is great because this is giving me the opportunity to test this with a live audience. So thank you guys for being my live audience on a Friday, wherever in the world you are. Maybe it's Saturday. Maybe it's Saturday morning from where you're watching this from. But this is just another thing I'm trying out. I'm trying to do, I'm going to try doing some unboxing videos and talk about different marketing techniques. I'm going to be talking about my journey to entrepreneurship and leaving the corporate world and bringing my experiences with me and launching my business. I'll be talking about that. I'm going to be interviewing different people from around the world and having them talk about their expertise and having some really nice dialogue. I've already got a short list of people that are interested in joining me. So that's kind of it. I am actually going to close this off for now. This is going to be a shorter video here tonight because it is my Friday too, and I want to shut down my work stuff, take a little bit of a work break for a while, and get the weekend on. So thank you so much for tuning in, and enjoy your coffee. If you have coffee this weekend, I'm going to give this lovely bag a try. Probably make this for our coffee for breakfast in the morning. Really, really looking forward to it. And you can read more about it. Let's see if I can kind of give you a second there. There it goes. I have to give it a second for it to adjust there, but that's a little bit of information about Sugar Creek. And I did purchase this online, and I told the gentleman that I would schedule him for a LinkedIn Live and we could talk about coffee, because he saw on my LinkedIn profile, he saw that I have a coffee emoji. He's like, "Ooh, you must love coffee. You want to try our coffee sometime?" And I said, sure. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in. This has been Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, and Charlotte, my lovely assistant / intern, helping me out for the video feed here today. Thank you for the camera work. You did a good job.
Oh, yes, you're welcome.
You did pretty good.
I'm a vlogger. No,
you did what?
I'm a vlogger.
No, you did good. All right. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you. And thanks for tuning in.
Thank you. Bye.